Hi, meteorologist TJ Del Santo with an update for you on Lee. Let's track Lee's history. It's been around for a while. What's today? September 16th. It started moving off the African coastline as a wave of clouds and precipitation, and by September 8th, about a week later, it was a Category 5 storm in the middle of the Atlantic, not really bothering too many land masses other than with some big waves down there in the Caribbean. It's giving us some big waves now. But Lee, landfall in Nova Scotia during the midday today. It's got winds of 70, 80 miles an hour moving northward at about 25 miles an hour. Hurricane hunters have been investigating Lee all morning long, and notice it was weakening a little bit because it was moving over some cooler ocean waters. As I mentioned, Lee will be making a landfall in Nova Scotia and then continuing to work its way into eastern Canada. I can still see the rain showers, even though Lee is no longer a hurricane. It's just a plain old storm moving into eastern Canada. We're still seeing some rain showers, gusty winds here in southern New England, and Lee about 280 miles to our north and east now. Looking at that warm Gulf Stream. Off to our south, Lee was working with that warm water yesterday and holding its strength as a Category 1 storm, and then it moved into that cooler air, or cooler water, I should say, 60-degree temperatures off the coast of New England, and Lee weakened pretty quickly into just a plain old storm, post-tropical or extratropical cyclone. The peak wind gusts with Lee: Wellfleet, 65 miles an hour; Dennis, 63. Orleans, 43 mile an hour gust. Narragansett, 37, so a gust to 40 on Point Judith. And Quonset Point, Fogland Beach, and Tiverton, 42 miles an hour. Middletown, gusted to 32. The wind forecast through the night, we are expecting still some gusty winds into the late morning and into the early afternoon. Then those winds really begin to kind of ease as we head through the night. As far as the waves go, seeing some still pretty decent waves. Surfers hoping for those big waves. Yeah, stay away from the water's edge and watch those big waves from a distance. 9 to 12 feet waves expected for the rest of today. Might go down a little bit tomorrow, but still a dangerous surf expected. Beach erosion through the weekend, and please stay off the rocks and jetty. Big waves can sweep you into the ocean, and bad things can happen as a result of that. Let's take a look at the forecast for the afternoon. Lee continuing to move away, what's left of it. Looking at some rain showers tapering off. Sunshine returning for the late afternoon and evening. Looking pretty good as we head into the rest of the weekend. So for today, afternoon clearing, gusty winds, temperatures getting into the low 70s. For tonight, clear skies. Winds quieting down more, overnight low temperatures down to about 56. Here's your forecast looking into Monday. Look at the chance for some rain showers as we go through our Monday with highs at around 70 degrees. We'll keep you updated throughout the weekend about the rest of the next couple of days, and we'll have the latest 7-day forecast coming up on 12 News.